Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to import multiple photos in one layer window. So first you have to go to File and then scroll down to Scripts, and then from Scripts you scroll down to Load Files into Stack, and then this window will open, and click Browse and select the folder that you are importing the photos from, and then select the photos and then click open and then hit OK, and wait for it to load. So these are the photos in one window, and this is a good way to save time when editing multiple photos, so you don't have to import them one by one and transferring or duplicating them into another layer window. And also, the other good thing about this method is that it retains the title of the layer, as you can see here. So that's about it. I hope you like this little tutorial and have a great day.